Hello, I'm Mr. Ethan, and I'm so glad you could join me today for this week's great activity. This week we're making aquariums in a jar. Okay, today, like I said, we'll be making an aquarium in a jar, and I know summer has just ended, but this is one last summer type activity we can do. And maybe you get to see some sea creatures along the way, and maybe you'll be inspired to get some books about different creatures that live underwater from the Mooresville Public Library. So first, you're going to want to take your jar that's found in your kit that you'll get from the library's youth service desk. And you're going to want to take the lid off, take off the lid, and you'll be given a few other things in your kit. You'll be given little aquarium plants, some colorful aquarium pebbles, as well as a couple little plastic sea creatures. I got here a octopus and a shark to live in my aquarium. And first, I want to put my plants in there. You're just going to want to drop them in there a bit. Get them in there. Just drop them in and arrange them how you'd like. This one's a little off kilter, but that's okay. You can have them be a little bit off kilter. So we got something like this. Then we'll take some of our pebbles, very colorful, and we will drop those into our jar. Put a few handfuls in. Now we're wanting to put our plants in beforehand because our pebbles can help to anchor them a little bit. I'm just gonna take a few handfuls, doing it in small numbers because I don't want to make a mess, but we will cut back once I get my pebbles all in. As you can see, I'm back now, and I have my pebbles all in my jar as well as my plants, and I've kind of used my pebbles to kind of bury the base of the plant to kind of help stabilize them. But the next step we'll do is we're going to take our sea critters. We're going to plop one in there just like that, and we're going to plop another in there just like that. And our final step is going to take some water that I got here in a cup, and we're just going to gently pour it in. Fill up our jar with some water so our nice little sea friends have a place to live. Now that I've filled it up, can seal the top up our jar, put on the lid, put on the ring. Make sure we get this nice and tight, and we have our little aquarium friends. We can shake it a little bit and they'll kind of swim around and do their thing. But it's all very nice. Thank you once again for joining me for this fun activity. I hope this has inspired you to maybe check out some of the books we have about different sea creatures at the library. And if you want help finding one, you can come to me or Miss Emily at the Youth Services Desk. If you like this video, go ahead, like, and subscribe to the Mooresville Public Library YouTube channel. It'll help you to get our videos as they come up. They go up every Monday at 1 p.m. And don't forget to come by the Youth Service Desk to get your activity packet. Some other great programs we have. We have the Mooresville Public Library Youth Book Club meeting at the end of October. That will be meeting on the, just double checking the date, the 28th at 6 p.m. We're reading Percy Jackson and the Olympians. If you'd like a copy of the book, just ask me at the desk and I'll get you set up. Once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.